Any other questions?
So
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
What are the key points that we should write in our resume while sending such emails?
Okay. That's another interesting question. You see, the first thing you must remember is that I presume you are sending an email of a chartered accountant. So the person who's going to read it is also a chartered accountant. So for heaven's sake, don't write, things like I work with this client is based in America, this client is based in Sweden, their turnover is so and so. I'm not interested in reading all that. I want to know what you can do for my firm, what you as an individual. Now the fact that you are a chartered accountant, you have cleared your papers, you've cleared your 8 papers in the final, that means you have arrived, right? Now I need to know how you can be effective for the firm or for the company where I work in. So the first thing is you must remember, as a qualified accountant, your resume should not be more than 3/4 of a page, according to me. People send me 3 pages, 2 pages. I worked with the following clients, so client की history दे दी साथ में, not required, right? Number one. Number two, important point is, what was your contribution? Excuse me. What was your contribution in those clients? What did you learn, but what did you contribute towards the firm? It's very different. It may be the same thing, but it's put in a different perspective. If everywhere you keep writing, I learned, then I will say, okay, that's what you have learned. What can you do for me? So that's the second thing. Sorry. Third thing, which you must remember is that don't start off with too much of information on the top. Name, email ID, LinkedIn का वो दे रहे हो, फला वो सब बाद में देना. Come straight to the point. And you can say that I offer myself as a trustworthy resource in your firm. I have X number of audits. I've done 13 audits covering the following, something like that. So that gives me an idea कि तुम मेरे लिए क्या कर सकते हो, And please refrain. When I say refrain, please don't write things like my career objective. वो आपका objective है ना. मतलब आप सीखोगे मेरे से, मेरे फर्म में, तो आपको मुझे देना चाहिए ना. आप कैसे दोगे? जब आप स्कूल गए थे, आपने सीखा, आपने स्कूल को पैसे दिए कि स्कूल ने आपको दिए? फिर आप कॉलेज गए, फिर आपने कॉलेज में सीखा, फिर आपने कॉलेज की फीस दी कि कॉलेज ने आपको दी? तो नाउ यू वांट टू लर्न, यू वांट आर्टिकलशिप बिकॉज यू वांट टू लर्न ना. तो यू शुड बी पेइंग मी ना. व्हाई शुड आई पे यू? So you have to put forth your credentials in such a way कि मैं आपको अपने फर्म में लेने के लिए उत्सुक हो जाऊं. You have to use the correct words, make a correct offering. And last but not the least will be, please don't make grammatical errors, punctuation errors. And don't write long emails, just one screenshot max. That's what I would have to say.